All right, we should be live. Hello and welcome everyone to another edition of Market Trading. I'm your host, Tone Vays, coming to you live on my channel, second stream of the day, actually third stream of the day. Those of you that do speak the Russian language could have caught me on Crypto Commons. I was just there about an hour ago. I had to pour another cup of tea. Man, buy the dip. Are we ever going to get another dip? Well, we're getting one right now. And the moment I set up the stream, bam, price flipped on us. So I am going to go and take a look. Let me make sure I'm live. Zoom is not cooperating very well. It has not informed me. So I can go load my own YouTube channel and audio, video. How's my audio? Oh, battery's low on audio. Oh, my battery might die on audio. Shit. Hold on, guys. We may have a problem. I'm gonna plug in my receiver. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep an eye on the Q&A group. Moderators, the moment my audio goes out, I do have backup microphones. I can always use my camera mic as well. I am in a quiet place. I'm in a quiet place where I'm too cheap to pay for heat. Hence, we are using a sweatshirt. Come on, who wants to spend Bitcoin? So it's I gotta stay warm here. It's freezing up in the Northeast. I'm going back to Panama. This sucks. I'm like constantly drinking hot tea. Like I normally drink tea, but now I'm drinking it for a purpose. Okay, let me make sure I'm streaming on my channel. Let me go to YouTube. It's going to 0. It's going to 0. Not 1,000. It's going to 0. Someone's going to quote me on that. Okay, let me just pull up my YouTube channel, and then we're going to go to the charts. I want to make sure we're live. Historic moment. Yeah, we almost broke all-time highs. Man, we almost made the God candle today. Holy shit, did we come close. I'm hearing rumors about Coinbase being down. Can someone collaborate? I don't use Coinbase. I've never used Coinbase. Okay, how many live viewers we have? Only 250. Maybe it's a little more than that. Okay. Let's go to the charts. We broke 64K. I see yellows here. Nice. Hey, yellow. We did break 64K, right? I have the chart open. I was watching the 10-minute chart. Got no work done today. Crazy. I don't think the crash would have brought down Coinbase. Probably the other way around. How is Bitcoin Cash doing? What is Bitcoin Cash? Forgot that even exists. Okay, so a lot of people that were leveraged long probably got screwed right here. The volume on exchanges has not been very high from what I'm hearing. That's okay. We hit an 10-minute MRI warning candle. So the MRI top was coming. Man, we missed it by one candle. If only the crash happened a few minutes later, we would have gotten the MRI top candle. Would have been perfect. So if we look at this 10-minute time scale, this has been one crazy day. We consolidated. I'm just using the 10-minute chart. It is one of my more favorite time frames. We had a 10-minute resistance line. I'm not sure what that red line is for. That's the overall breakout line. We hit a 10-minute MRI buy back. This was yesterday in the evening. We hit an MRI top candle. We didn't reverse perfectly, reversed on a green star candle, but there were a couple of levels of resistance here. There was the acceleration line, that was not breached and the resistance line that was not breached. We got a second green star candle without a red star candle, which is great, allowing you to double down on your bullish trade, and up we go. The upswing gave us an MRI top, did not reverse us, and this was another 10-minute MRI top, topped 2 candles later, small pullback. And if Coinbase and Binance come back up, Bitcoin can easily break the all-time high today. So if this was actually caused by some glitches, then I don't think it's a big deal. But that's a big drop from 64,000 to 58,000. That's a big drop. You know, it's not gonna look big on the daily scale. We still have half a day to go. Still have like 6 hours of daylight. Everything is still trading. Wow, I'm keeping an eye on my retirement account. It was up some ridiculous amount, and now that amount that it was up actually got cut in half. Man, I still have that Tesla trade. It's actually doing. I have a couple of Tesla trades now. They're both making money. Very disappointed at Bitfarms, actually. Very disappointed. MicroStrategies is doing amazing, and Bitfarms is lagging a bit. That's why it's always best to just hold Bitcoin. But I have a very, very small allocation. I already took profit on the Bitfarms trade. I still expect to double my money on the Bitfarms trade. I'm not going to double my money on Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to go up, 100%, as of a few weeks ago. I don't think it will. It can. I don't think it will. Where is it? There it is. Oh yeah, it just dropped hard. A lot of things dropped hard. It was hovering near the top just now. This crash. It's interesting. I don't know what to say. I don't have any information. This could be nothing, but Bitcoin just fell 10% in 20 minutes. So this is actually great news. Do you know how great of a news this is? Because tonight on the evening news in the mainstream media, all they're going to talk about is how volatile Bitcoin is and how dangerous Bitcoin is and how it can lose you 10% of your money. They're going to completely ignore, this is our current mainstream media, they're going to completely ignore that Bitcoin has gone up 15% in 3 days. What they're going to talk about is how Bitcoin crashed 5% in 10 minutes. That's going to be on the news, which is great. This is the kind of stupidity that allows an asset to double its all-time high before anyone pays attention to it. Okay? I actually love the fact that it just crashed this much, even though my retirement account just lost, I'm not going to say how many tens of thousands of dollars, just like fell in my retirement account in the last 20 minutes. But all you're going to hear on the news today is how much Bitcoin has crashed, which is awesome. Absolutely awesome. But it's also possible by the time this stream ends, we're back at 65,000, especially if it was a glitch at Coinbase and a glitch at Binance, and they're now back. And it's bad if people got liquidated on this, but yeah, I don't really see any issues yet. Let's go to the big picture. The big picture, weekly chart. Weekly chart is on the verge of the third highest weekly close in Bitcoin's history. Let's zoom out. Monthly chart is on the verge of the highest monthly close of all time. This candle is on pace to be the highest nominal price rise in Bitcoin's history, were competing with this candle that was up $17,500 in a single month on the close. This candle was only up 13.5, and this candle was only up 12,000. Our current candle, even with the drop, is still up almost $19,000 for the month, and the month ends in 25 hours. Well, 27 hours, something like that. No, wait, a little more than that. In 20 hours, 30 hours, 30 hours. It's 1 p.m. Eastern. The day ends 7 or 8 p.m. So you got about 6 hours plus 24 hours. You got 30 hours before the month closes. Do you think market cap of Bitcoin will surpass gold? So I saw gold, but I think you meant gold. It's going to surpass gold sooner or later. Binance is back online. It's unfortunate that they're back online. I'd rather have Binance disappear from existence. But yeah, Bitcoin's probably going to be rallying again. We'll go back to the weekly scale. Surpass gold market cap this weekend? This decade? Yes, I do. Market cap of gold is what, 7 trillion? Let's see, gold market cap. 13 trillion, shit. Oh, I thought it was half that. Oh boy. That's an extra doubling for Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin market cap? About 2 trillion? No, it's got to be more than that. It's only 2 trillion? It's only 1 trillion? Huh. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't usually look at what Bitcoin's market cap is. Huh. Yeah, it's only 1 trillion. Shit. No, that's gonna be hard. I thought this was 2 trillion. I thought gold was 7. Yeah, that's a tall order. That's a tall order, guys. Bitcoin has to go up 10x. Bitcoin going up 10x. That's a $600,000 Bitcoin. That's pushing the limit a bit. $600,000 Bitcoin? Shit. Got me thinking though. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. By end of decade, 5 years? Give me 2 more years by 2032. By the end of 2032, we'll break it. I expect us to break it. Higher than gold's market cap before 22. Because I think America will collapse before 2032. And then gold's going to rise as well. I mean, look, we can break it this year. It's possible. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. This is nuts. So the 10-minute chart is not helping us. Should we go lower? Should we go to a 5-minute scale? I'm going to turn off alphanumerics because it's skewing my charts. I want to see it on a 1-minute chart. How do we top out on a 1-minute chart? Yeah, so here's a 1-minute chart. Starting at 11 a.m. Oh, that's like a mini hyperwave, guys. Wow. 1-minute chart, right? Here's your hyperwave. Here's your baseline. This is looking cool. Here's phase 1. Beautiful phase 1. Well, phase 2, sorry. This is phase 1, the consolidation. That's phase 2. What a perfect example of a hyperwave on a 1-minute chart. it's not supposed to be meant for. Here's phase 3, and it's at a perfect angles too. And here's your short and quick phase 4. Wow. That is cool looking. I'm gonna send this to a friend of mine. Hold on. Mark, it's coming your way if you're watching. Check out this 1-minute hyperwave. Super cool. Okay, let's get rid of this. So on a 1-minute chart, this looks bullish to me. You got a little bit of resistance, but we had capitulation. We're now rising. Nice trend line. Nice break of the prior swing high. Back-to-back green star candles. Triple green star candle. Breakout, prior swing high. Has not yet made a lower swing low since the low was made. All it's got to do is break these moving averages and we're off to the races back to the upside. Those that missed the FOMO, this was their chance to buy back in right here. The market doesn't give you too many chances. You could have gotten a 10% discount on Bitcoin. We're now breaking up. New star candle. Let's go to the 5-minute chart. Looks beautiful as well. One-minute scale. You got a beautiful stop loss right here. Going long off this line. Stop loss there. The moment this breaks, the moving averages. Break even stop loss. Right now, I still have it down here. Realistically, I can even have it up here. Down there. Because once it breaks this trend line and hits this, I think we're going to go back down hard. Got to it a little bit late, of course. I would have said the same thing back here on this green star candle. Would have given me a lot more room to the upside with the break-even stop loss. Okay, there goes that idea. Once this breaks, the uptrend's over. The original stop loss was at the swing low. 1-minute candles. By the way, I like to swing trade and option trade. I'm not a day trader at all. Not my specialty. This would be a perfect new stop loss. Right at the bottom of that 1-minute candle. We still have support at the 1-minute moving average. 1 minute, I think it's like a 20 period or something on a 1 minute. And the prior swing low. This is establishing a higher swing low. Has to avoid a red star candle. Could give us a fourth. If we go back up there and consolidate, I may be even more bullish. We have a red 2 on the MRI 1 minute, but no red star. Red star only shows up prior to the prior candle's low. If we go to below prior levels low, I am calling this trade a failure. For now, this trade is still alive to the upside for now. But now the stop loss is right here. There's no moving it. Ideally, I want this candle to complete. It's 25 seconds away. What do we have on the live chat? Tone, you don't use stop loss in your main account. I don't use stop loss in my main account because I'm not leveraged. My main account is only trades during market open hours. There's really no reason to have stop losses in that account. Winston, hey brother, did you get back into the trade, man? Did you go DGen long? Kind of hope you did. Yeah, Bitfarms is not performing well. I'm very disappointed in that. Good thing I only put. I'm actually still up on the Bitfarms trade because it was. I'm like I'm not losing money. I'm just disappointed. I thought Bitfarms would have made me 100x by now, but it did not. Like the percentage that Bitfarms, not Bit, what was I say, Bitfarms. The percentage that Bitfarms is up for me because I had $3 calls below $3. So my calls are still up by percentage at least as much as Bitcoin. But man, this thing should be at a new swing high. This is so disappointing that the miners are not performing well. You would think miners would do well. They're holding Bitcoin just like MicroStrategy, and they're going to be mining way more expensive Bitcoin. What's your look on CleanSpark? The same as Bitfarms. I'm still bullish on these things. I thought that with the price of Bitcoin going into the halving and them mining some extra Bitcoin, they would do well. MicroStrategy's hit $1,000 today. Incredible. Oh, we got the red star candle. It's over. It's over. I mean, we still haven't crossed the stop loss, but I think this bullishness is over. I'm not bullish on a 1-minute candle anymore. It's over. I would need a new green star candle. The consolidation is still good. We still haven't broken this low, but we've broken this low. Joseph, thank you so much for your generous donation. Man, it was crazy. This daily candle was insane. The daily candle was up over $7,000. We almost got a God candle. We still can. This was almost a God candle. This candle alone was at the high, was up $7,000 at the high. Right there. There's your candle. 7,000. I have 695. There you go. $7,000. Nuts. Let's see here. If this, then that. Thank you so much for your comment. I did not time the December 22 bottom call perfectly, but it's okay. I was only off by $5,000, which now seems like nothing. If we zoom out on the daily chart, I was still concerned down here. No, wait, sorry. I was still concerned down here. Everything changed for me right here. This was, as I stated on Twitter Spaces, on my channel, everywhere. This was the buy of the decade right here. This was the buying opportunity of the decade. Maybe the COVID crash of March 2020, that might have been the best opportunity, buying opportunity of the decade. But right here, when we bounced off of 20K, the moon, the stars, the Saturn, everything aligned. Life aligned for the most perfect Bitcoin buying opportunity. at $20,000. Well, the miners are certainly in a much better position with the higher price of Bitcoin, aren't they? Bitcoin just doubled in price, so they'll survive the halving. We're gonna do Twitter Spaces as well. Speaking of Spaces, Twitter Spaces, it's scheduled for 3 p.m. Eastern. We might go early. I'm chatting with the team now. I'm asking them if they can do it early. You got to go to the Financial Summit channel. Fin Summit. Financial Summit has too many letters. Elon, if you're watching, can you add one more letter to Twitter usernames? We're short by one letter. The Financial Summit is 16 letters, and it's a 15-letter max. And someone took Financial Summit like 20 years ago, and they're not even using it. It's scheduled for 3 p.m. I'm gonna try to make it 2 p.m. I just want to go, man, I'm gonna be streaming. I have work to do, but it's not gonna happen. And definitely follow us on YouTube. We do shows every morning. Every morning there's a show. We're almost at wait, our Twitter account is almost at like 6,000 subs. We can break that. Come on, guys. I have 1,000 people watching. You have not yet subscribed to the Financial Summit Twitter account. Please help us out. Subscribe. It helps. Hey, Winston. Thanks, brother. Hey, I'm still up in the Northeast. You know where I am. I'll be here tomorrow as well, and then I'm back, and then I'm flying south again. If you're here tomorrow or tonight, if you're here tonight, maybe we can go relax in the sauna. I'm gonna be in the city. Anyway, hit me up. I'm around tomorrow as well. And then Friday, I'm off. Friday, back on the airplane. I want to hit the sauna. It's freezing up here. Freezing up in the Northeast. Peter Brandt raised his Bitcoin target to 120 to 200K by September 2025. That'd be nice. That'd be nice. Oh, there's a BitDevs tomorrow. Shit. I might join you. Might join you. Yeah. Yeah, hit me up. Hit me up. Maybe we'll go in the city. Especially if you're driving, I can get a ride. God, I hate public transportation. I'm still a broke bum, guys. I'm still a broke bum. As I said this morning, for the 3-letter agencies that are watching this show religiously, I still take public transportation that I can barely afford with this inflation, just for the record. All right. Where are we here? Give this and that. Thank you so much for your comment. I did not hit the wrong button. Okay. Hey, by the way, I think this is sold out now. So I think this one is already sold out. This one I got someone signed up already. Technically there's 2 available, but I verbally promised them to people, and I'm going to give them the right of first refusal. So if you want a water villa, there's only 4 water villas on the property. If you're curious what it looks like, man, now everyone's getting rich. I gotta like, you can still get these. We still have these water villas for the financial summit. But wait, let me get a graphic real quick. How's my trading account doing? I got some other trades I'm looking to exit. I have one of my Tesla trades. I'm testing out a new strategy. Here, hold on. I made this graphic earlier today or yesterday. I don't remember anymore. Here, check this out. So this is the resort. This is where the financial summit's going to be. Those that sign up early, you will get one of these villas at the base price. You guys have no idea how hard it is to put together a 5 nights in the Maldives where $9,000 gets you unlimited alcohol, a transfer from the airport, food, a couple of private dinners that they charge extra for, a conference room. All of that's included. And your 5 nights in the Maldives on the water if you sign up early. So these are the few rooms for early signups. This is one person, like one room. They have a connecting wall. And then these are independent, but it's the same kind of room. And then little extra, you get a pool. There's only 4 of these, and 2 have already been paid for. There's 2 left, but I may have to give a right of first refusal to a couple of people that verbally said they're in. And then there is some on the other side of the island. They're actually to the right. That are beautiful, large villas, but they're not on the water. They're on the edge of the water. They're not on top of the water. And most people want the on the water stuff. And if you sign up late, you're going to get stuck in the middle of the island. So hurry the F up, because it's a year away, and these things are already selling out now that everyone's Bitcoin rich. Yesterday's miss by Canaan. We should go take a look at Canaan. So, yeah, these water villas, like I said, there's just 4. Shout out, you know who you are. You're probably watching that just signed up today. I'm not going to dox you. And I got a commit by someone that has been to several of these before. So I know he's good for it. And a verbal commit. And then I got 2 more verbal promises by people I know. So hurry up. But this is where we're going to be celebrating March 2025. Maybe that will be the top. Maybe Bitcoin will be 600 grand at that time. That'd be fun celebrating in the Maldives. But yeah. All right. For more info, check out financialsummit.com. Click on room upgrade, and you get to see what the rooms are. We're going to add more pictures. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. Hey, the ETF news. In ETF news. So here's what's happening right now. Yes, this number is a little bit late. Sorry, this number will arrive late. So these are yesterday's numbers. These are not real. I haven't gotten these. So it's actually higher than that. But as of yesterday, I mean, I should get Invesco's number. I really should get Invesco's number, because they're holding a large amount of Bitcoin. So I'll get their number. Guys, I moved to Panama not to deal with politics. I don't know what's going on with the Panamanian mine. I'm not involved in Panamanian politics. That's why I live there. I'm happy to talk shit about American politics while living in Panama, but I don't know what's going on with the mine. I don't know. I don't care. Not my problem. I don't even speak Spanish yet. I'm working on it. So they're at 6.22 million shares, which brings their Bitcoin position to only 625. So it's not a big difference. Not a big difference. Oh, wait. Values. But they had 127 Bitcoin. So in the first 2 days, all of these ETFs have added over 21,000 Bitcoin. Remember, every week only 6.3 thousand Bitcoin gets created. And these ETFs have already purchased 21,500 Bitcoin, and I haven't even gotten these numbers yet. GBTC is 1 day late on reporting. So, but they've only sold 400 Bitcoin on Monday, and I'll get their Tuesday number today after market closed. I usually do this every week, but man, if these ETFs purchase this much Bitcoin again, we can see a $10,000 candle next week. There's just not enough Bitcoin to go around. The ETFs have already increased the total Bitcoin going into the system by 120,000 Bitcoin has entered the system. Are we dropping more? Let me see. Oh, there we go. Yep, that's why you take the stop loss on the trade, and now it's going down. I'm not going to say it's a massive dump. I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. Let's go back to the 10-minute chart. All right, I gotta ban somebody. Hold on, moderators, you're not doing your job. All right, problem solved. Where are we here? Uh-oh, that's not good. That is not a good looking 10-minute candle. You do not want to go back to these lows. This is not good at all. Oh well, it was fun while it lasted. I think the top's in. Well, for the day. I think the top's in here. It was fun while it lasted. I think it's over. What I don't want to see is, I don't want to see a negative tone-based volume. I don't want to see a red volume spike. That would not be good. So I'm still hoping we get a green volume spike today. We're on the verge of losing the green volume spike right now. It's teetering on the edge. Yeah, it's close. It's close. When is the MRI bot coming? This year. This year. I think it'll come this year. I need to just take some time off and work on this stuff. Oh, we're dropping some more. I'm watching this tone-based volume. You guys might see it turn red. Not good. Yeah, I think the top's in. The top's in. Top's in. Fun while it lasted, guys. Red star candle. This is bad. New lows. Yep. No one wants to risk buying right now. Still got a chance later in the day, but let's hold our horses for a minute. I would not have been able to time this top. Now to say, oh, the 10-minute is kind of okay, but what about the 1 hour? What a Darth Maul candle. Something happened here. Something went wrong. Like people said, Binance went down, Coinbase went down. And once momentum ended, people are now waiting to buy the dip. So where is the dip? very possible it comes back down to 57. That would be realistic. Hope it doesn't. I hope we keep going back up. I gotta type a message real quick. Yeah, shit hit the fan. It's over. Was fun. Was fun while it lasted. I know Adam Back thought that it would be 100K before the halving. I thought he was crazy, but maybe he wasn't. Well, the MRI on the daily is still very bullish. And on the weekly, it's still very bullish. That's the 4-day. I'm still 100% long, by the way. And on the monthly, it's still very bullish. The MRI is still bullish across all the, advanced time frames. All right, I got to open some packs here. Man, someone found the poker card. Oh, man. I'm going to mix these up. I want to pick a random pack. I want to open a pack. Hold on, I'm going to text in the pack stacker group. I want to send them the link. I really want that poker card. I need to complete my set. I have all the other cards. I have them all. I have the Tone Vays card, just one of them. I'm going to cut the camera. That's how I'm going to... it's either that or start crying because the Bitcoin didn't hit all-time high. It's dropping. Let's open a pack. I got 750 live viewers. I don't have a link to this, but you can figure it out. Bitcoin trading cards. I'm sure you can figure it out. How to find them. I'm going to stop the screen share. I'm going to open a pack. Let's do it. I got them all. I got the Tone Vays is the ace. That's the Tone Vays card. I did have it. I wasn't sure if I had it or not. The Scammy card, which is the third most rare. Tone Vays is the second most rare, and the poker card is the rarest one. I do have the Scammy card, and then I have 2 Nikos, 1 Jimmy Song, 2 Natalie's, and 2 Adam Backs. All of these are out of 500. No, Adam Back is out of 250. Nice. Okay, same as the Scammy card. All right, here we go. Wish me luck, guys. I need that poker card. There's only 21 of them, and I literally know like 7 people that have it already. And they're not going to give it to me as out of the kindness of their heart. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Let's see what we got here. We have Swan Resources card. We have the education card of, wow, you get a lot of glare. Hold on, let me turn the lights on. Let me make sure my camera is not going to follow me. I'll turn the lights on. Guys, we are saving every Satoshi in this basement. Oh, good thing I was wearing pants. Doesn't always happen. I just realized I was sitting down. No, I always wear something. All right, now the camera's following me. All right, let me stop that. I'm always wearing something. It's not always pants, but all right. Fiat Standard. Oh yeah, way better lighting. Fiat Standard card. Oh, I already see the special card, but I still don't know what it is. We got, oh, that's a card from the earlier set, the economics card. We have the, gotta focus. The gold card. Is the next one the special card? No, there's one more. We have the Hungarian Tango card, and the rare card is, oh, Jimmy Song. 1 of 500. Now I'm going to open another pack. Jimmy Song card. We also have Samsung. We have BTC Sessions, Asanoa, and the Bitcoin halving card. Okay, I'm going to protect this card. Yeah, that would be super careful. There we go. I'm going to protect this card. Oh, wait, I have an empty one somewhere here. There it is. And I'm going to open one more pack. Still on the hunt for that 1 of 21 poker card. There's like 2,000 of these boxes, and there's only 21 cards. So your chances of getting it is 1 of 100. 1 of 100. And I didn't buy 100 boxes. These are like $500 each. I can't buy 100 boxes. So your chances of getting one is 1 out of 100. And in a box, not in a pack, 1 out of 100 boxes. Each box has 12 packs. So it's 1 out of 100 boxes, 1,200 packs. 1 out of 12,000 packs, guys. It's insane. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 2,000 packs, not boxes. Okay. So it's 2,000 packs. So it's a little bit higher. There is a chance. 2,000 packs, not 2,000 boxes. So let me do the math. Never do math on live air. So that means, what are the chances per box? So there's 2,112. Now, there are 12 packs in a box. 12 packs in a box. So there's about 200 boxes, 21 cards, a little higher on a pack. All right, here we go. I have a good feeling about this pack. Let's try again. Let's try again. We got the roller coaster card. The volatility. Oh, we got our volatility today. Oh, we're rising. We're rising. Let me go back to the 10-minute chart just so I have it in front of me. If anything interesting happens in Bitcoin, I'll let you know. Education card, another fiat standard card. And by the way, these cards, because they're rare packs, these cards have a little orange circle right there. So they're actually extra rare. Economics card at the bear whale. The slaying of the bear whale. The bull markets card. Hope you guys remember bear whale. No idea what the rare card will be. We got the tyranny card right there. I think it's the next one. I still don't know what the next card will be. Here it comes. Oh, the Tone Vays card. Awesome. That's also rare. That's 1 of 100. Got it. I got a text in the group. That's the second most rare card. Now, where's my other one? I still only have one of these from Series 1. It's also one of 100. Someone just got this rated 10 on PSA rating, rated 10. I don't think my card is as perfect as that card. Maybe I'll get lucky. It looks pretty good to me. I got to keep it in great shape. Shout out to whoever traded me this. They traded for another equally rare card. This is also one of 100, and so is the Tone Vase that I just got. Man, I got to protect that card immediately. Immediately. Just got it. One of 100, that's not bad. So there are 2,121 packs. And so the chances of getting this card was there's 100 of them out of 2,000. So that's one card every, how many packs? 0.5% chance of getting the card. Oh yeah, Jonas. Hey, Jonas. Dude, Jonas, come on the stream, man. Come on the stream. Same link as last time if you join my stream. The last Zoom call we had. Just go to our DMs. Go to our DMs, scroll up, find us. I used maybe I shouldn't have said that. Let me send you a link. Actually, no, it's not there. Let me send you a Zoom link. Wait, let me put the card away first. Jonas has one of those cards that I need. Oh, I could have gotten that card out of him too. I have to make a slightly different deal on something. Oh, wait, I gotta be careful here. Hold on. Let me not ruin it. I may get this graded one day. Got it. All right, I gotta protect this thing. I know the top loaders are not the safest way to protect cards, but it's all I got. We're cheap here at Tone Vase Basement. Okay, protected. Jonas, I'm gonna send you a stream if you want to jump on if you're next to a computer. All right, let me grab him a link. Let me move the camera up. All right, maybe he'll join. We'll see. No, there's a reason I want Jonas to join. Jonas is the CEO of Bearwood. Right here, this tequila. Jonas made it. And I'm now an investor in Bearwood. In my deal to be an investor, I should have asked for the poker card. He has one. He bought like 3 packs and he got the card. He got the most rare card from the unconfiscatable packs. I should have made a different deal. All right. The chart's sticking up a little bit. All right, that was a great pull. But by pulling the Tone Vase card, the probability of me now getting the 1 of 21 card is now super low. Because there's no way they're going to put a 1 of 21 and 1 of 100 in the same box. That is very, very unlikely. So I think I pulled the second best card out of this box. So I think I maximized what can be found in this box. All right, let's go back to the charts. All right, moderators, in case my microphone dies, let me know. Oh, and in 20 minutes, we're going to be live on Twitter Spaces. All right, the 10-minute chart, we're trying to tick back up again. I'm liking this 10-minute candle, but unfortunately, you now have to break the prior swing high. We would now, oh, MRI failed on us. Let's reset the MRI. What's going on here? Oh, all right, microphone died. I expected it to die at some point. Backup audio. I'm going to put this microphone on charger after the base charges up. All right. So now that we're back, let's make sure I'm back on audio. Yep. So I now need the price of Bitcoin to go above 61,500 in order to be bullish again. And is Jonas with us? Not sure.
I sure am. Can you hear me?
Oh, he is. All right, I'm going to stop this. Nice. Are you like me? You're saving every Satoshi on heat, wearing your hat. I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
Yes, I kid you not. It's 58 degrees here in the office right now.
All right, Jonas, I got to bring out some more bottles. I'm gonna
All
bring the
right.
rest down with me to Panama. There is a case down in Miami. I gotta order more. This is how I spend all my money, not on heat, but on alcohol.
Yeah.
Jonas is the Bearwood CEO. Uh, this was his idea to launch the first bottle. Ask Tone Vays. You just watched me pull a Tone Vays card out of the pack. You pulled the poker card, didn't you?
I did. Yeah, I kid you not. I turned on the TV and I was about to put on some just background music to keep working. And I saw your live stream had popped up. So I clicked on it and you had just said like, "Oh, I think it's the next card," and you pulled it and it's Tone Vays. I was like, "What?" I gotta message him.
Yeah, so I'm gonna add the link to Bearwoods in the video description. Dude, every time I go into a bar and I just start chatting, like everyone is super interested. Dropped off a couple of bottles at this steakhouse that I always go to, friends with the owner. Everyone's intrigued. Uh, we need to put like proper directions on the website. You gotta publish the, yeah, we gotta
Yeah,
talk. We gotta publish the white paper, the patent paper on the website. Dude,
yes.
this is great. Everyone is loving this. The ability to age. We were like, it was like a giant tasting thing. I came up to the Northeast for a family member's birthday. Man, we were tasting all this stuff. It's freaking amazing. Guys, check
Awesome.
out Bearwood. I'll add the link to the video description. It's not there yet. You can Google Bearwood Spirits, and yeah, it's absolutely great. Now I have to do a disclaimer. I've become an investor in the company, so it's great. I don't do that often. It has to be a company that I really, really like. I find it super interesting, and this is interesting. Uh,
Yeah, love having you on board. I'm really disappointed that I didn't get the neck hangers in time for the
ah,
cases that I sent to New York and Miami, because on the inside it has the patent drawing
oh,
and the
beautiful.
explanation of how it works and the step by step, and all the explanation,
Oh
all
man, yeah,
packaged
yeah,
up
yeah.
really
Yeah,
nicely. So,
that's great. That's awesome.
and so
And
that will just hang on every single bottle.
yeah, that's freaking amazing. It's super, super great. Uh, yeah, so I should have made a deal to get that poker card off of you.
It's funny you mentioned that. I'm still sitting here in the back. I've got all my other. None of these are the Tone Vays or anything like that. Those are all the more common cards. But I've got them all packaged up. The Scammy Award that I got from one of the other people in the Telegram chat, and then the poker table and all the other cards that were like the best condition. I've kept them all together, and they're in a fireproof safe at home.
Wait, so oh, okay, so you have the poker, right? The 1 of 21
Yeah,
poker, but you don't have the Tone Vase card.
I do.
Oh, you
I
have them
do.
all.
If you remember, yeah, I've got a full set now. If you remember, I had my box here. It's empty now. But the day that you came here to visit, I couldn't wait any longer, so I
That's
opened
right,
some
you pulled it
packs. I
earlier
recorded
that
it.
day. Hey, so did you pull a Tone Vase and the Scammy card in the same box? Not Scammy
No,
card, sorry, the poker card in the same box, or they came from two different boxes?
separate. Yeah. So the at your conference at Unconfiscatable, I bought I think like 3 packs there at the conference just to pull, and I was really wanting that Tone Vase card because it's the same artwork that's on the Tone Vase tequila, and I just really wanted that full like kind of matching set, but instead I got the poker table out of that out of there.
Yeah, right
Yeah.
there. Oh, right there.
What number
Yeah.
did you get? I didn't see that.
Oh, it's a number 61. It's not a fancy number.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I love that. So my plan right now, I'm kind of, it's not top priority for me. I'm so busy with all the Bearwood stuff, but I want to create a poker table shaped frame. So I can frame the full set on like a round frame with the green background and the
Oh.
black trim, and have like the gold ace spades diamond hearts painted on there. Just make it really fancy and have all the full set of cards framed.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah. And have some
That
have
that
like a little placard there that you can sign.
all right,
Unconfiscatable 2023.
let me jump back into the price real quick. So we're rallying off of this reversal candle on a 10-minute scale. I do need Bitcoin to cross 51,500, and I will be bullish once again into new all-time highs. What a crazy day, man. We hit 64,000 on the price of Bitcoin. We were up $7,000 since last night. Nuts. Absolutely nuts. And Yeah, I have the patent open right here, actually. I still have it in one of my million tabs. Here's the patent on Bearwood. And they're now like showing this in that little neck hang to explain how it works. If you ever wanted to control the aging of your spirits, this is the company for you to look into. And order a case. Order a case of bourbon. Man, I'm starting to like bourbon. I was never a fan of bourbon, but this one is totally drinkable. Love it.
Ooh, okay. I'm gonna have to send you at least one bottle. This is a old label. It's a sample, so it doesn't actually look like this. But this is the Hickory, and I don't think you've tried this one yet. But so far, this is everyone's favorite.
So I got the Hickory, but I don't know if it's on bourbon. I'm not sure, dude. I already gave away. This is how
Oh yeah, yeah. I did send you
where my
some of
money
that.
goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a few, but I need to like because I'm giving so many away. I need like a whole collection, and I gotta. So what I did was right. I actually poured like the moment I opened it. I poured in a small container. That's another thing I wanted to talk to you about. When you ship a case of something, you should ship it with like a dozen. Oh, my camera's zooming in. Because I did this, right? So this is my zoom in and zoom
Oh,
out on
that's
my camera.
interesting.
But now it doesn't want to zoom out. It did it when I did that. Damn it. These
Oh,
cameras are crazy. Now it's moving around. So anyway, so you got to start shipping them with like small, like let's say not necessarily not necessarily 2 ounce, but maybe a little more than that, like a small 5 ounce uh, empty bottle. So the moment someone opens it, they can pour the original
ah.
before they start aging. And then as it ages and as they drink through the bottle, they can always compare it to what it tasted like before they started aging it.
There you go. Have a little like a time capsule almost with
Right,
individually. Yeah. So
right.
it's funny you do mention that. One thing that we will be launching, I want to say Q3 of this year. Of course, figuring out the legalities of everything is the biggest part, but I will have a subscription model, a membership model, where for a certain amount every single month, you'll get 4 airplane shooters shipped to you. And it will either be a variety pack of some kind of exotic wood in a spirit that you have likely never tasted before in your life, or the alternative will be an aged timeline, right? So the first airplane shooter will be,
Right,
this is toasted oak after 1 week, and the next one will be 3 weeks, and the next one will be 3 months,
right.
and then 6 months. And so you can see the color change, and then you can experiment with the taste. And then if you really like that, you can scan the QR code on the inside of the box and order exactly what you just tasted.
Yeah, no, that's a great idea. Yeah, so I was actually thinking the same thing. The same base alcohol with different rods in it, and then also the same base alcohol, same rod, but different time for the aging.
There's so many different ways you can play
Yeah.
with the variables to make some really exciting things happen. Yeah.
And the one question that a lot of people have been asking me is, will you be selling the empty kits for people to just buy their own liquor anywhere they like or brew their own and then bottle it right in it? Maybe someone that's brewing their own wine at home can bottle some of their bottles uh, like right at home into the system.
So I've really come around to that idea mainly because as long as we can put a big disclaimer on the instruction booklet that says like, hey, you're experimenting here. Whatever you do is not guaranteed to be mind-blowingly delicious. And the reason
Right.
I say that is because we've been doing so much experimenting. One thing that we tried was a toasted birch in vodka, and it was disgusting. That was the only one so far that I've found. I was like, I don't even want to drink any more of this. I don't care how long it sits. This is awful. We, we
So
we pitched it, and so what I don't want to have happen is someone sees the kit, they get some ideas in their head, take it home, try it. They put like a toasted cedar into a rum, and it turns out horrible. And then they go online and leave me a bad review.
right. So I would say that when you sell a specific kit, right, like a specific wooden rod that has been treated in a specific way because there's so many permutations, right? There is the type of wood, and then what was done to this wood before you put it into the bottle, and it could be
Yes.
nothing. It could be
Right.
toasted. It could be heavy charred. What's the difference between toasted and heavy charred, by the way?
Yeah. So toasted, there was never any exposure to actual flame. It was just radiant heat.
Um, Hold on. Pull up the bottle again to the window
Yeah.
there. So
So
right there,
on
you
every
get this
single,
label. That's a hickory wood that was toasted. So what do you? And then you have a print of when it was bottled. So
yeah.
what does it mean? Like it means that it didn't touch. It wasn't like toasted with a flame, but was it like were it still heated, like in an oven or something?
Yeah. So that's exactly what it means. So toasted is just in an oven, and then any kind of char from low to high depends on how long it was actually exposed to like flame. Like here's the flame, and you're putting wood
Okay.
in the flame. Yeah.
And that makes a big difference on how that wood is going to flavor the alcohol.
It does. Yeah. So whenever you're actually charring it, you're breaking down the compounds in the wood differently than you would if you're just exposing it to heat. And so toasting, of course, it depends on the species of wood and depends on how long you toast it, but brings out a lot more of the kind of caramels and vanillas from the wood, whereas the charring gives it a lot more of a smoky taste. And so we've been experimenting with, toasting the entire stick and then only charring one side or charring it at different intervals. There's so many ways that you can play with it.
Yeah. Oh, and for the wording, right? Because there is some regulation around the word aging. I was just chatting with a friend of mine who's huge into marketing, and like he's dying to get a couple of bottles from me on this next time I get a case in here. And he said, why don't you use age flavored spirits as the description on the bottle?
Age flavored. That's smart. Yeah. Yeah.
Age
Yeah. I
flavored
think
instead of saying aged, age flavored.
that is smart. I think that we could get around that with that. I will say I'm going to check our FOLA again. Though I got back from the TTB. I think that after we explained the concept, they're like, oh, okay, no, you're good to go. You can say whatever you want.
Right. And every time you say that to them, you send them the patent. They're
Yeah. Yeah.
gonna be a lot more okay with it. All right, guys, let's get back to the price of Bitcoin. I there's one more company. Like I'm not an investor VC guy. It has to be something I'm passionate about. So that's how Jonas got me with age flavored liquor, even though I'm trying to quit drinking. Good job, man. Okay, let's get back to the price. We were rallying a little bit, and we're still rallying a little bit. Still need to cross this. Probably going to get some divergence here. I know I already lost some viewers. We were up at 750. Oh, and we're going to spaces in 15 minutes. So there were, oh, wait, not 15 minutes, 7 minutes. Shit. Oh, no, 15 more minutes. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. So there is definitely divergence. Not much. Yeah, today's just been a crazy day, man. It's a great day. It's a crazy day. I see people asked about, yeah, Coinbase had a glitch showing zero balances for many accounts. Holy shit, that's a bad glitch. I want to make sure that the tone-based volume stays green. We do need to stay at this price or higher. Any lower, that's in trouble. The BitMax funding rate is now favoring the bears, but it can stay up here a little bit longer. We were definitely higher back in January. It super spiked back in November of last year. Other than that, man, we've been in bear territory for a while. Here's what 2021 looked like. We're nowhere near these highs. Nowhere near the highs of 2021. And like the first bubble of 2021, second bubble of 2021, nowhere near that. And we did go high back in November. I'm curious what the chart looked like in November. Exactly, this was November 9 of last year. I don't remember anything major happening November 9 of last year. All right, let's see. November 9 of last year, right here. Yeah, we rallied. That was the first time we rallied off of 30. Surprised. Oh, that must have been this right. No, it was this right here that caused that massive spike. Looking back, those are weird days. Very weird days. Guys, I'm still, feeling FOMO here. I don't think this is the end. And we're rallying some more. Look at the 10-minute chart. Winston, oh yeah, possible reason for the wild swings. Yeah, if Coinbase is showing you zero and people panic, hell yeah. All right, I'm not gonna open about. See, I already pulled a tone vase out of this box. So I think I'm gonna end up opening one more box anyway. I really think that the best card out of this box has been pulled. So I'm tempted to open a brand new box. And I may have to sell
Ooh,
those packs one at a time. I'm gonna open a new box because I really think I pulled. Oh, we're going up still. I'm gonna go get the pack. Is my camera following me or not? Because I don't want it following me.
I
My
think
camera
it
is
was following
following
you.
me. It is following me. Let me stop that. All right. You know what? Why don't I cut my camera for a second here? I'm gonna cut the camera. And yeah, by the way, so answer this question. When you were selling the Tone Vase tequila bottles denominated in Satoshis at the unconfiscatable to bootstrap the company, did you hold on to any of that?
I held on to every single Satoshi.
Oh, that's amazing. So what is that up? Like 60% now?
Yes, yeah. So the Bitcoin at unconfiscatable was floating around 43K.
That's amazing. And now you're up 50% on that on those sales. That's great.
Yeah, yeah. I just left it all in the wallet. I really just decided not to touch it at all. I didn't pay myself in the last couple of months only because I really wanted to keep it in Bitcoin. I just knew that, it's going to keep going up. So
That is a smart business decision. All right. And hey, if the bottles are already selling, let me get back on camera. If the bottles are already selling and you don't need to tap into that, that's going to be, whoa, what the hell happened here? That's going to be funding for the future.
exactly.
All right, let me stop this ridiculousness. It's good that the camera follows you around, but not always. All right. We're gonna open another pack.
Oh boy, this is from a new box.
New box.
I think I need to snag another box.
Um, there might not be any more.
Really?
Maybe. I gotta find out. I want to go to the website. Hold on. I may
Oh,
need
I'll do
another
that too.
box. I need that poker card, man. I have to complete the set. Now that Bitcoin's going up, maybe I can afford another box. Let me go here. Let me go here. BTC trading cards. Oh, there's a TBTC in there somewhere, but that's okay. I have one box of Series 1. I think it's worth like $10,000 now or something.
Oh my gosh, yeah. I almost have a complete Series 1 set. The only two cards I'm missing are the two hardest to get your hands on, the HAL and the Max. But I've got the Cypherpunks.
I need the cypherpunks.
Got the Cypherpunks and the Tone Vays. And the Adam Meister was the very first card I ever pulled.
It's so strange. Hold on. Why? What is happening here? Why does it feel like they're not? Oh yeah, they are the same. That's weird. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna randomly pick a pack in the middle. Here we go. Want to stop the screen share? Oh yeah, no way. I was looking to see if there's any more for sale. Shop. Let's see what they have for sale. They have a new
It,
one launching.
it didn't give me a total left available. I mean, it looked like I could put several in my cart.
I don't know if the packs or boxes.
Boxes are right there.
Oh yeah, here they are.
Second,
There's $600 a box. Yeah, they still have some. Shit, I may need to buy some more. It's this.
I need to, yeah,
I'm missing. This
consolidate.
is the only one I'm missing right here. You have it. Dude, but you've completed a set. You should probably buy some of the other boxes. You've completed your set already.
It's true. I think they're out of the box that I wanted to get, which was the whale, the most recent whale.
Yeah, they're running out of almost everything. I think this is like all they have left. Unconfiscatable box, unconfiscatable pack. Yeah, it's the same. It's 12 packs, so it's the same price if you buy by the pack or buy the box. And then they have I have a couple of these boxes as well. Oh, it's a Genesis pack. I have 2 of those packs because I bought the big Genesis boxes.
Mm.
Oh man. Okay, here we go.
Stop the screen share so we can see.
Right. Yo, I want that poker card. Someone is trying to trade in. Someone is saying, like, what would you trade a poker card for the Maldives at the financial summit? I'm like, dude, that's $9,000, man. I don't know if I'm willing to pay 9,000 for that card. That's why I'm trying to get it. So this is the FUD card. It's actually a really cool card. It's new to the
Love that
Series
one.
2 set. It's a really cool card. We have the resources card. We have, oh, that's a new one. I don't remember this. Out of stock, bank run card. Oh, I don't think I've gotten that one yet. I don't remember that one. Oh, let me not show. Ah, I already saw what the special card was. And it wasn't poker currency. And here it comes. It's Nico, right? Yeah, it's
The
Nico.
Joker.
The Joker. I'm gonna open one more pack. Nico is 1 of 500. That is a 1 of 500. I will protect that in a minute. We have the Asanoa card, Natalie, Bitcoin couple, and the white paper. All right, one more pack. One more pack. Here we go. One more random pack. Now I have to complete the set. I mean, it's the unconfiscatable pack.
It's your conference, yeah. I saw somebody in one of the collectibles groups offering a poker table, open to offers.
Really?
Yep.
If you see that again, send me his Telegram handle. I'll reach out. Maybe there's a deal to be made. All right, what do we got here? I'm gonna hold them like this. There we go. This is, oh, a Cypherpunk's card. This looks very off-center. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way or not. Maybe
Let's
it
see.
is. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that is off center.
I wonder if it's supposed to be that way or not. If not, that's an error card. That would be worth money. Yeah, but it looks right. It's probably right. All right, next card is, oh, Mount Gox. I don't know. Wow, I'm getting some cards I'm not really familiar with. That's great. Because I want to complete the set with the orange logo in the corner. Lisa, here we go. And the special card is Jimmy Song, another 1 of 500. Ah, all right. Man. I'm going for one more. Because I'm not gonna be here for weeks. I'm going back to where humans can normally live in a nice warm climate. I'm gonna do one more pack.
I'll tell you, the message right above the one where you put the link to this stream, Brady added you for the poker table open to offers message.
Oh shit. Is that Brady, the Fierce Flight? Is that him?
No, Fierce Fight is the guy who opened to offers, and then Brady just
Okay, that's the
added.
one open to offers, right? Brady is not going to sell it.
Right.
Okay, yeah. I
Might have to
need.
fight Coil for that one. It's number 13.
I don't mind the number 13. My favorite numbers are 1, 9, and then I'm perfect, and 7 maybe, and then I'm good with the 13. I think that's a good number. All right. It's all right. If I pull one from this box, there'll be no need. All right, see what we got. I think this is one of my favorite cards, man. The halving card.
Oh yeah,
And
the
the
artwork
halving's
on that
coming
one.
up. Natalie. Dylan. All right, I still don't know what the next card is. I will take another Tone Base card, though. They're pretty rare, 1 of 100.
I would really like another one.
Oh, another Jimmy.
Another Jimmy.
Last pack. I'm gonna do one more.
One more, one more.
One more. Dude, this is so addictive, man.
It really is. I had to stop myself.
This is so
The one
addictive.
card, if anybody in the trading card group is listening, the one card that I really want to add to my collection right now is the Bankers Hanging card from the most recent whale packs. And that's an of 100 as well.
See, I don't have a lot of the whale packs. I mean, there's just so many options, and they're pretty much sold out on everything. There's just so much variety here. It's crazy. And apparently, this is about to be so much more popular because of the groups they're about to start joining, as far as high quality cards and stuff. One second. All right, back. Sorry. Okay. We have the blockchain card. This is also from Series 1. There was just one of them. It was like in its own set. We have, oh, I don't want to show. Pizza card. We have, this is the last pack. After that, I got to go join Spaces. Adam back. That's TJ Wilson. And the special card is Nico again. So I got
Nico.
2 Nicos and 2 Jimmy Songs in this one. Man, they have been like the most popular ones. All right, that's it. I'm done. I'll try to open some more packs tomorrow. And here are the rest. All right, I gotta protect all these cards. We're gonna take a look at Bitcoin one more time, and then we're gonna get off stream. Still at 500 live viewers though, which is great. I didn't talk any politics today, which is an advantage. All right, here are the cards. Still some boxes left, guys. Man, if I don't end up pulling this card, I may have to trade for it somehow. All right, here we go. Let's look at the price. Oh, daily is looking great. 10-minute, or almost there. We're almost at that line. This is looking awesome. Yep, this might have been a glitch. Would love to see a close. You know, back when we were breaking 60,000 this morning, everyone was happy, and now everyone is pissed, and we're sitting above 61, right? This is like so weird, right? Yeah, as long as we close above 62 today, that's going to be an incredible day. And I think these highs could be challenged tomorrow if we close above 61. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Please follow the Financial Summit channel. You can also go to tonevays.com if you're looking to pick up the MRI or get a little more experience in trading. I do have videos there for sale. There's a free learn trading section. There's an affiliate link section. I'm going to be adding another affiliate in here. Oh, I need to add Bearwood in here, right? I should have an affiliate for that. Well, you're muted, Jonas.
Yeah, smart idea.
Yeah, let's talk to your web developer guys. See if they could put together like a link for a referral, and then people can go through the website. Some kind of referral, maybe 5% off. We'll see.
Yeah, there you go.
Talk to you about that. And there's one more coming soon. It's going to be really, really awesome too. People are going to love that one. So follow the Financial Summit channel. This is our Maldives venue. And there's only 2 of these rooms left. Maybe. Other than that, if you sign up early, and by early, probably in the next month or 2, and it's a year away, you can get one of these villas on the water included in the price in the 9K. Otherwise, you're going to get stuck inland once, and then we have to put these up if we still have any left for an upgrade for an extra price. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Here's the website. Thanks for joining me, Jonas, and I will see everybody on the next one. Bye, guys. Up in the street.